A whiteboard is a shared visual workspace that teams use to plan and generate ideas. SmartDraw's whiteboards give you a seamless workspace that combines free-form brainstorming with all kinds of diagrams and visuals used for collaboration, such as sticky notes, Kanban boards, mind maps, roadmaps, PI boards, Gantt charts, or other common diagrams like flowcharts, org charts, and decision trees. They are often useful to bring in visuals based on external data, such as Jira cards, network configurations like AWS and Azure, database schema, or class diagrams. Work together in real time to make decisions, solve problems, build products, and discuss new ideas and strategies as a team. We'll start with a blank template. You can add visuals to your board using the Add menu to the left. In fact, you can make any workspace into a whiteboard no matter what SmartDraw template you start with. The transition from a simple diagram on a page to a multi-diagram whiteboard is seamless. Just add new blueprints. You can choose from a large selection of blueprints like flowcharts, mind maps, retrospectives, customer journey maps, and more. You can also add visualizations built from external data. Add UML and ERD diagrams, Jira issues and reports, and lots of other data visualizations. Each blueprint added to your board is inside a frame, making it easy to move and position. Frames resize as the diagram inside them resizes. You can add or remove shapes, and the frame will adjust accordingly. You can change the frame color, add a title, and modify their behavior as needed. When you are working with a diagram blueprint and select one of the shapes, the controls shown in the left panel change to reflect the type of diagram you are using. Click on a flowchart and you'll get the controls to help you build flowcharts. Click on a roadmap and your controls are now relevant for road mapping. Add sticky notes and containers will automatically expand and make room for new ideas without any manual repositioning. Double-click in a brainstorm to add a sticky note automatically. Move notes around the board and other shapes will adjust automatically. You'll never have to pause brainstorming to draw or reformat your board. Whiteboarding is a real-time activity. You don't have to waste time lining things up or manually rearranging shapes. All of SmartDraw's blueprints are smart and format automatically. For example, you can add topics to a mind map using the keyboard. You can drag and drop to reorder them. All blueprint visuals, including Kanban boards, org charts, retrospectives, flowcharts, and more, come with built-in AI for formatting. Invite your team to collaborate using the Share button in the upper right. Your team can share ideas and build your board together in real time. Express opinions using emojis, group ideas together, add markup, and more. Anyone collaborating on your whiteboard can use the pen or highlighter to draw attention to a specific shape or text to help focus a discussion. Add a timer to track your whiteboarding session. You can stop, pause, or add time to your timer as you need. SmartDraw is an ideal tool for real-time idea generation and planning.